Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got a painting job coming up, then you're gonna wanna get these handy paint tray liners. These make your life so much easier. So I absolutely love these. These are the perfect fit for inside a handy paint roller tray. And they hold up to a gallon of paint and they're just awesome. They make your job so much easier because you can slip this right inside the paint tray. And then when you are done, instead of having to find a way to clean out the entire paint roller tray, which is big and bulky, you can just let whatever the excess paint that was in here dry. And then when it's dry, you can just toss it and it just makes it so much easier. And I don't know about you, but when I am painting, it's a tough job and I am so tired by the end of it. And thinking about cleaning a roller tray is the last thing I want to do. So make your life easier, get some of these paint tray liners. You'll be really happy you did. And that's my point of view.